Join me for a cup, won't you? Hey there, hi there, hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I'm participating in the Sunday Funday challenge. And in today's video, I have for you an Easter wreath that I made using all Dollar Tree items. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the fun. So now let's go meet that challenge. Let's get to my craft room. Bring your coffee, bring your tea, bring whatever it is that you like to drink. Let's go. My craft room, vámonos. For this wreath, you're going to need one 14-inch wire wreath frame, 6 rolls of decorative mesh. I used 3 of the Easter rainbow colors and 3 of the Easter solid colors. You're also going to need 1 hanger, an Easter or a spring hanger. I did not end up using this ribbon. You will need some plastic Easter eggs and some chenille stems. I started by cutting the chenille stems in half. I tied one around the crossbar of the wreath. I got the mesh, folded it in half, pinched it in the middle, creating a tail and securing it to the wreath with the chenille stem. Once the tail was secured, then I pulled the mesh through the bottom section of the ring, creating about a 3-inch loop, and then pulling it through the top section of the ring, creating another 3-inch loop. Once I had those 2 loops together, I pushed them to the end and then pulled the mesh through the center ring, creating a 3-inch loop. And as you go along, you're creating these loops about 3 inches or whatever height you want. Mine are about 3 inches. You push them together, go back to the inside part of the ring, creating a loop, and then to the outside part of the ring, pulling it through and creating another loop, and then in the middle. And as you're pulling, you're trying to keep all your loops the same height. And you keep this pattern until you finish all of that mesh. That one roll of mesh is going to cover one section of the ring. When I got to the end of the roll of mesh, I folded the end in half and then in half again, bunched it up, creating a tail, and secured it to the wire frame with a chenille stem. For the second roll of mesh, I tied down the chenille stem, attaching it to the frame. Then I took my second roll, folded the end in half again, creating a tail and attaching it to the frame with the chenille stem. I then continued my pattern of weaving the mesh through the bottom section of the wire ring, and then through the top section of the wire ring, and then through the middle section of the wire ring. And as I'm creating these loops, keeping them all the same height, bunching the loops together until I got to the end of this second roll of mesh. Once I finished with the purple mesh, I secured it to the wire frame with a chenille stem and continued weaving the next roll of mesh. Once you get into the rhythm and the mesh cooperates with you, this is a pretty quick and easy wreath to make. Once you have all your mesh in place, don't forget to fluff, fluff, fluff. This is so pretty. What do you think? I'd like to take a minute to thank our hosts for the Sunday Funday Challenge, Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy, and their co-hosts, Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins. Their channels are linked in the description below, along with the Sunday Funday Challenge playlist. Check out their channels and then hop through the playlist for some fun and inspirational decorating ideas. Now let's get on with this DIY. Next, I decorated the eggs using the self-adhesive zigzag jewel border I got at the Dollar Tree. I placed the jewel border around the center of the egg, covering the seam where the two halves meet. Next, I attached the Happy Easter hanger to the wreath using a chenille stem. I pulled the stem through the wreath form, and once I had the hanger in place, I twist tied the chenille stem to the back of the wreath, securing it in place. Once the hanger was in place, I tied the two ends of the chenille stem together, creating a loop for the hanger. Next, I attached the hanger to the front of the wreath using hot glue. Next, I attached all the Easter eggs in place with hot glue. Ta-da! There is no Sunday fun day like Easter Sunday, and this wreath really brought joy to my heart. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope that you have a very blessed and happy Easter Sunday. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!